In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a team on Canva. Whether you are collaborating on a big project with colleagues or simply brainstorming creative ideas with friends, joining a team on Canva can streamline your efforts and make your creative process more efficient. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, head over to Canva's website by typing canva.com into your browser. Once the page is loaded, you'll see the login button located at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and use your credentials to access your account. For those new to Canva or who may not remember, you can log in using your Google or Facebook account or simply by entering your email address. This flexibility ensures that accessing your account is always quick and convenient. Now, to join an existing team in Canva, you'll need an invitation, which is typically sent by a team owner or an administrator. They might invite you via email or provide you with a private link. If you receive an email invitation, look for a button labeled Join the Team and click it. This button is your gateway to unlocking collaboration features that Canva offers. Just a quick reminder, invitation links are time sensitive and are valid for only 30 days, plus these links can be used only once. If your link expires, don't worry. Simply reach out to a team admin and they can send you a fresh invitation. But what if you're feeling entrepreneurial and want to create your own team? Well, Canva has made that process straightforward too. Begin by clicking on the gear icon, which you'll find on the upper right corner of your dashboard. This will lead you to various settings options. Look for the billing section by scrolling down. Once you're on the billing page, keep scrolling until you reach the very bottom. There you'll see an option labeled Team. Click on the Create a Team button and voila, you're on your way to forming a new team. You'll need to think of a name that encapsulates your team's spirit and type it in the designated field. Once you have the perfect name, just click on Create, and just like that, you've established your own collaborative team space within Canva. So there you have it. Whether joining an existing team or creating a new one, Canva has designed their platform to be user-friendly and intuitive. It simplifies collaboration and can make working on projects more fun and efficient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to explore Canva's help resources or reach out to their support team. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're now ready to dive into your next collaborative project with Canva.